What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. You know what, y'all? Don't be mad at me, but I literally almost forgot to post a video today. It's been a crazy, very busy week. So let me show you what I'm kind of working on today. So I poured this the other day. It's another small little tic-tac-toe set. Sorry about the lighting. I don't have my GoPro charged, so I'm using this phone here. And then here's the little tic-tac-toe pieces. So I need to make a few more tic-tac-toe pieces. And I just did this with alcohol, ink, and epoxy. This will be for the Scratcher channel for a giveaway. So it's really simple. Here's the mold. I just need to make 2 more X's and 2 more O's. I have these. I got the first layer of epoxy in. I cut the stickers. I put them in. We're going to pour some clear over these. They got a set. I got some dominoes I want to show you guys. And we're going to go from there. So let me get some of this poured here. I already have the boring part done as usual. I don't need a lot for those because they're so tiny. So let me get this here. So all I did was take a little white alcohol ink. And I put 2 dots in each one. Because it just helps kind of get that color to change. And remember, when you're using alcohol ink, you don't want to let it sit in there long because it dries. So 2 dots of, I think this is fuchsia. Fuchsia with white. And I don't think this is the same blue I use. I think I'm actually out of that blue. So I'm just using, I think, a marine blue. So 4 dots in each one. Each one has 2 dots of white alcohol ink. And then you got to take this cup because they're so tiny. And you're going to kind of just pour it in there slowly. Yeah, this is going to be a little bit darker blue. Because I'm pretty sure the blue I used for the first set of O's is gone. I'm pretty sure I used that up. Kind of just let that set for a second. Top them off a little bit if they need a little more. And then you just kind of put it to the side and just let it do its thing and cure overnight. That one's a little full, but that's okay because I can always take a little drill bit in the center. When I say these are tiny, these little things are super tiny. But yeah, see, that's a lighter blue. That's a darker blue. All right, so I'm going to move that over here and just let that set. We're just going to let them sit overnight. I can always fix the excess there. Hang on a minute, y'all. I got some still there. Try not to make this a super long video. I do have good news. I did get cups in, so that's a good thing. I actually have some cups I'm going to be working on, and you guys will get to see some of that process through shorts and all that fun stuff. So now, I have these. Like I said, they already got 1 layer, and now these are the ones that you can see through that everybody's been wanting. And just pour some clear on them to seal them stickers in. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to get my air gun out, or, well, heat gun. I like to fill them up. These work really good for my other channel for scratching those difficult tickets. You know, some states, all of us, I think, we have some tickets that are just extremely hard to scratch. All right, gonna put some more in here. But they work good. They turned out better than I thought they would, so there's that. I might have poured too much epoxy today. I didn't really need to pour too much, but I did. And you kind of just fill them up. Kind of look at an angle just to see if any of these need a little more. Well, the bad thing about these little cups is they drip, but they work great. I think we're good there. And I'm going to kind of just slide them over here and set it and forget it, pretty much. Just kind of set it there and let it do its thing. I do have some extra here. So, I had an idea for something. Hang on now. If I can find it. I can't find it. I don't know. I got some extra epoxy here, you guys. I was looking for my one mold and I can't seem to find it. We'll use the little skull guy here. I know I got a bigger one. Sorry, y'all. Not as organized today as I should be. Actually, you know what? We'll see if how much we can get in this guy. So let's just fill this with some alcohol ink, right? And see, I haven't done one of these skull molds. I don't think I've done them at all on the channel. I have a set of 3. It's kind of cool how they look. Their purpose, I don't know, paperweight. Now let's see what this is going to look like. I don't know, y'all. We gonna see. Kind of move this in here so you guys can see. Get some more in there. Pour that in there. So I put some fuchsia, some blue, some white. Just to see. Maybe I can add some more white in here. See what happens. Let's see what happens. I made a lot of palm tree magnets. I mean, I got them poured. I need to just pull them out of the molds. Just pretty much like a blue skull. Yeah, I have a big one, a little one, and then the medium-sized one I'm pouring now. I poured too much. When I say y'all, it's been a busy week. It's been a very busy week. So, can't really move him too much. I don't know how it's going to look. I guess we have to wait and see. I don't know. Ooh. I gotta be very careful moving that. Maybe like that. There we go. We'll just let that sit over there. I was just playing around with some leftover epoxy I had. I still have some left here. Let me change this to here. So I have this set of dominoes I poured, I think it was last week. And it's made out of different colors of green pigment powder. They're really pretty. So you guys know the routine. I have to go through sand and color in the dots. But I don't know if I want to do the dots white or green. It's a whole nother set here. It takes time. I think it just takes a lot of time, you guys. And I appreciate everybody's love and support. And welcome to all my new subscribers, too. Shame on me. These are going to be pretty, though. Each one has its own little different swirl. I'll probably make a short of these once I get them all filed down and get the dots colored in. But you guys let me know. Drop it in the comments, okay? Because I'm undecided. Should I color in the domino dots white or green? White, green, or gold? You guys pick. Whatever we get the most answers of, white, green, or gold, that's what color I'm going to color in these dots. Because I'm probably going to use this for a giveaway on my other channel, too. Ooh, sorry, y'all. We have those. But wait, there's more. I have to pop all these out too, you guys, but you know the routine. I gotta sand them and spray them. So there's a whole tray there. And I don't remember what colors are underneath. There's another whole tray. And these ones here, the backing has white and green alcohol ink, but inside is a bunch of little crystals and jewels and stuff. So stay tuned for a short on those too. Thank you guys so much. I'm sorry it wasn't a great, fantastic video today. Just been super busy, but I do have cups in. I have two orders right now, and I got to make some more for the Scratcher channel. But yes, you guys drop it in the comments. Let me know what color you think it should be. Green, white, or gold, because there is some like little flake in there. And this is the iridescent green side, but I got to go through and sand them. You guys let me know. Thanks again for all love and support. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And until next time... I had a new mold somewhere around here, y'all. That's what I said. I've been rearranging everything in the house, so I gotta find it. But But until next time, you guys, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. You guys have a good one. Bye.